Hey YouTube, it's me again, Matt. I have an unboxing for you. My dad actually gave me one of these. This is cool. It's an LED spotlight. This is the back, the side, the top, and the front, of course. So I'm going to unbox this and try it out. I like the design of this because before, these things. Oh, sorry, sorry about that. These things. They're. Let's see. They're only 6, but it's still good. This is 9. This has 9 of them. And it comes with batteries, but I got batteries already because I don't like Energizer as well. Freeze! Yeah, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. This is awesome. To actually get the batteries out is this thing. Is you just twist it like I showed, and it comes with this. That is awesome. It's almost like the Apple battery thing charger or whatever. I don't know if these are okay. They are. This is cool. And it just hooks in like this. 4 of them. Nice and compact. And there you go. It looks like a big giant 9-volt battery. Let's see, that way. Oh, and it turns on right away. Oh, I had it on. That's probably why. Oh. Ah. This would be better in the dark. But yeah, I'm not gonna turn it on. No way. Let's see. Uh, oh, okay. You know, that's how it looks. I'm not gonna like directly do it like that to you because that would totally blind you. I wouldn't want my viewers to be blind. But anyway, this is cool. The handheld flashlight. Even though that these uh, are these are compact, I like these a lot too. And this is actually has more range. So I had too much fun with my gadgets. Alright, talk to you later. And I'll probably uh, do more vlogs. I have been drawing a lot. That is going to take up my time One of these days, I'll actually do a drawing video, and I don't know how where I go to draw. I don't know if I want to bring my tripod or not, or something. Somewhere out in my room, I'll probably uh, do a couple of find a spot to do it at. Just do it for those type of videos. And I'm actually thinking on painting again, and using these. I haven't used these. This is like these are like four, 3 months now or something. I haven't used these since Christmas. So yeah, I'll keep you updated like always. This is Matt, aka Tech Pepsi. Peace.